In this video, you will be guided through the process of replacing an ABS wheel speed sensor. The ABS wheel speed sensor is typically placed near the brake rotors on wheel hubs. Use the scan tool and specification to determine the exact ABS sensors that need to replace. In this case, the left front wheel speed sensor will be replaced. Begin with the removal process. Firstly, wear goggles and gloves for safety during the replacement process to protect your eyes and hands. Now, start by using the jack to lift the front left wheel off and ensure it is secure on a jack stand. Then stepwise, use a wrench to remove the nuts of the front wheel and the left-hand front wheel opening extension pad. Next, remove the front fender liner. To disassemble the front speed sensor, use a plier to disconnect the sensor connector and clamp. Then, using a wrench, remove the two bolts securing the body and the shock absorber assembly. Afterward, detach the two claws connecting the steering knuckle and body. Lastly, remove the bolt and the front speed sensor. Let's move on to the inspection phase, thoroughly examining the sensor condition and checking the sensor surface for any cracks, dents, chip-off, scratches, or damage to the connector or wire harness. Then set the multimeter to the 20 ohms range, turning the zero adjust knob. Next, put the probe leads on the ABS sensor pins and read the number displayed. Per the specification, the resistance value should be set at 1.4 to 1.8 ohm between negative and positive, and 10 ohm or higher with negative or positive and ground. If the value is not as specified, replace the front speed sensor. Now, let's move on to the installation process. Clean the mounting area, use rags, and remove any dirt, debris, or rust that may interfere with the proper sensor. Take the new wheel speed sensor and align it with the mounting hole on the wheel hub assembly. Carefully insert the sensor into the mounting hole, ensuring it is properly seated. Use a torque wrench to tighten the two mounting bolts to secure the sensor. Make sure the sensor is tightly and securely fastened. The torque is crucial: 5.0 Newton-meters with bolt A and 19 Newton-meters with bolt B to avoid damaging the sensor. Then reconnect electrical connectors and clamp. Then install the front fender liner and front wheel opening extension pad left hand. Use a wrench with tightened torque set at 103 Newton-meters to install the left front wheel. And the final step, use the scan tool to check the ABS wheel speed sensor signal or follow the odometer change when accelerating and decelerating. That concludes the complete procedure for replacing an ABS wheel speed sensor. Thank you for watching.